Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ollama in your Windows laptop or PC in just easy steps, and you can use it locally in your laptop. So first you open any browser that you are using, and in the search bar you are going to type Ollama, and then you will find here the official website, and here as you can see download Ollama. You just click here, and then as you can see you can choose either Windows, Linux or Mac. For us it is Windows, and then you just click on download for Windows and the download will start, and once it finishes you just click on it and install it. You just keep clicking on next and it will be installed. There is nothing to change, and after it is downloaded, as you can see when you open it you will find it like this, and as you can see here you can change the model that you want. You can download all the models, or if there is any specific model that you want to use, you just click here and you click on the download button and it will be start downloading, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.